Master the art of referential expressions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of referential expressions in English. Our focus will be on understanding their critical role, specifically in writing, to improve your language skills and avoid unnecessary repetition. Remember, referential expressions can help your writing become much more cohesive and engaging, so let's get started. To kick things off, let's first define what we mean by referential expressions. Simply put, a referential expression is a word, phrase, or clause that refers to something else in the text. This something else could be a person, an object, an idea, an event, or any other entity mentioned previously or understood in context. Referential expressions are critical for maintaining coherence in your text and keeping your readers engaged. Now that we know what referential expressions are, let's explore some types. The two main categories are pronouns and noun phrases. Pronouns replace nouns and can refer to things or people mentioned earlier in the text. For example, consider the sentence, John is a writer. He loves his job. The word, he, is a pronoun referring back to John. Pronouns help to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. Noun phrases can also serve as referential expressions. For example, in the sentence, I just finished reading War and Peace. The book was fascinating. The book refers back to War and Peace. Using referential expressions effectively is key to improving your writing skills. Here are a few tips to guide you. 1. Consistency. Ensure that your referential expressions correspond to their antecedents. If Sarah is referred to as she once, don't suddenly start calling her they, unless there is a valid reason for doing so. 2. Clarity. Make sure that your referential expression clearly points to its antecedent. Unclear references can confuse readers. 3. Variety. Try to mix up your referential expressions to keep your writing interesting. For instance, instead of always saying he or she, you might sometimes use the person's job, such as the doctor, or a descriptive phrase, like the tall woman. And there we have it, folks. We've explored the essential world of referential expressions, delved into their types, and learned how to use them effectively in our writing. Remember, a well-placed referential expression can make your writing smoother, more engaging, and more professional. Keep practicing and see how your writing improves. Happy learning and see you in our next video.